वो हम सफ़र था, मगर नीलोफर वो हम सफ़र नहीं है. Hello, I'm back and I'm going to take on mediocrity. It doesn't matter if it is my favorite people doing the mediocrity, but I will sort of take it on. Now, I want to say I loved Nilofer. I really do want to say that, but I can't. And that's okay because internet में ये division है and वो होगा because that's the kind of movie Nilofer is. Divisive. And I'll tell you why. This film basically एक ही चीज़ सिखाती है आपको. You can have the best actors, you can have the best cinematography. There is so many beautiful scenes and beautiful sequences. आप गाने अच्छे डाल सकते हो, आप लाहौर को रोमांटिसाइज कर सकते हो. मैं जैसा कराची वाला, हार्डकोर कराची वाला would fall in love with लाहौर. But all of that is nothing अगर आपकी स्टोरी अच्छी नहीं है, which is what happens in Nilofer for me. इतने अच्छे अच्छे आपके पास एक्टर्स थे and you've underutilized them. You've relegated them to caricatures. There are things in this film does that range between borderline insensitive and downright offensive to just like क्यों. For example, if you have a blind character, आपने उसको बेचारी नहीं दिखाया, which is a very good thing. But आपने उसकी जो एक disability है उसको एक throwaway gag जैसा बना दिया. अगर वो नाबीना नहीं होती and the story continued the way it does, it would still have been a pretty formulaic love story. अगर आपने वो चीज़ एक फिल्म में डाली है तो उसका थोड़ा इस्तेमाल तो करो, उसका थोड़ा सा आप डेप्थ तो लाओ. The other thing that I don't like कि अगर आपने अपनी बीवी से इतनी मोहब्बत आप करते हो कि उसके लिए आपने किताब लिख ली और वो किताब मोहब्बत की मिसाल बन गई और 10 साल तक आपने दुनिया के कोने कोने तक सबको वो मिसाल सुना दी, अचानक से क्या हुआ भाई? अचानक से. And then it's never touched upon until obviously to just cause the climax. So that's very derivative and honestly it's shoehorned. And another thing I didn't get is that Behrouz Sabzwari's character did not need to have a Pakhtun accent. Like उसको पख्तून होने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं थी. अगर फवाद और माहिरा नहीं होते इस फिल्म में तो probably I would not have liked it as much because they were a big draw. They made this film. फवाद खान और माहिरा खान साथ आते हैं तो क्या होता है? कीमिया. Chemistry. That's what these two people have. Mahira's done a fantastic job, and it makes me sad to say that one of her strongest performances is a film that I probably like the least of her repertoire. Fawad's performance is also fantastic and his strongest to date. Urdu, bhai saab ne to Urdu ki to, he has made it sexy again. But what I wish I could have gotten out of this was that I needed to feel it, and I just didn't, which makes me feel a little quite bad actually. I would say देखो नीलोफर जरूर. You might not like it or you might love it. I'm in somewhere in the middle. I think I'm rare that way.